Spike, what are you working on?
So I've had this idea for a really long time. Will bought some hardened steel, 1095 hardened steel, so that way we can make a knife.
Knives.
This is the first one, and we're gonna make several more. I'd like to apologize to anybody out there that's affected by Will's actions, and my buddy Travis, who is a professional knife maker. I'm really sorry about what you're about to see.
We're coming for you, Travis.
Yeah, that's right. You better watch out.
So I gave you some of my dream knife shapes, and you then what, Spike?
So you gave me some dream knife shapes. I made them real in CAD, and then I told En route to make me a stabby.
Are these the robots that are taking jobs from humans? Human knife smiths?
Yeah, I don't like the way you put that there. I think I'm the one taking jobs away from human knife smiths now.
You need to make a target. Wait, I still have that one target.
This is just a stab one.
This is just a stabby knife?
This is just a stabby knife.
Not a throw. There's two, so we can settle arguments.
Yeah.
I see. But these are dueling knives. Yeah. You've seen the Beat It video, right?
Yeah.
Just tie your hands together and you...
I gotta open up the file called Will Stab.
Will stab, will throw.
Will Stab, engage. I programmed it just like 10 gauge mild steel.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah.
We'll find out.
Thanks, sir.
Let's do this for optics.
Thank you, doctor.
All right, you ready? Yep.
Margins are very close.
We look like we're watching the Manhattan Project test. You're doing great.
There it goes.
This is the knife?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Dang. It's nice.
That is a knife.
Can we clean it up on the grinder?
Yes. I think the next process. It's cold to the touch.
Is it? Cold steel.
That's bizarre. So, that dross is terrible.
Yeah.
So, the next process
How's it feel? Feels pretty good, actually. What was that?
Tay is now going to clean it up, and then are you going to have him grind it and all that?
I mean, I can try to put an edge on it, but it's going to be pretty embarrassing. But then you grind it and then you harden it. The quench.
Well,
this is hardenable steel, right?
Yeah, we got a forge.
Well,
we do have a forge.
Go steal stuff.
Okay. Jose, are you okay with being on our YouTube channel? Everyone, this is Jose Martinez. What would you say your role is with Shop Saver?
I do a lot of the commercial work for them and helping with some of the marketing strategy.
Jose's here today filming with us for a commercial for them, but we're also using it as an excuse to have some fun with the plasma cutter. And we're making knives today, among other things. We're just using like all the things we've wanted to cut out with our machine. We might as well do it while Jose's here filming.
Why not?
Yeah. So he's gonna cut out another knife. Hey, by the way,
Bro.
don't make weapons. Be careful. We're trained professionals on a closed course. All right? Don't make weapons. Weapons are dangerous.
Nothing to anybody. That was cool.
What'd you do?
I put it right back in the same spot as the other one. Look at X, Y.
You're so talented.
This is crazy.
I was, Did you say these were stabby? Yeah. Okay. Just trying to keep up. All right, let's see. Let me get a cup full of coolant. So sharp using an 80 grit belt, but it's good to get the shape. It's knife shaped. My grind is kind of even. Did warp just a hair. The coffee's kicking in, sorry. But now's the time to straighten it before you harden it. I do have a 120 here. Let's see what a 120 does. feel like a real knife maker now. This V-bore belt grinder is kind of awesome. We haven't had belts for it for a long time, but we finally got some made and they're really nice. Variable speed. Finest grit thing. Those are 80s. Everything I have is pretty coarse, so fortunately I'm going to have to hand finish some things. Pretty sure you're supposed to harden it and then put the final edge on it, but pretty sharp. That's going to dull it out if it's not hardened. Any cutting you do now is just going to fold that edge over. But, pretty limp-wristed attempt at a knife, but it is a knife.
He did it in about 20 minutes.
Oh, great. I don't have any quenching oil or anything. I would just quench it in water, but...
You can do water quench, you can do motor oil.
Water quench? Yeah.
What are we making now?
We are going to be cutting 3 throwing knives because regular stabbing knives aren't enough.
Feel powerful when you touch them?
I do.
Oh, these are like kunai,
Yeah.
right?
Oh yeah,
This one's a little.
It's meant to, isn't that meant to, your finger to fit in there?
maybe. Put a rope through there.
Ah, I see. Catch it, yeah, and pull it back.
Bevel, please.
I'll get right on it, sir.
Hey, can you make these so that it'll hurt?
Yeah, that I can do.
Yeah.
Are these out of 1095 as well?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. Oh man, that's badass, dude. What a day. Thrift cars and weapons.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna hurt your precious edge for sure. So, I know how these work in concept, I just don't know how to execute, but you have to account for the patterns. Spin. I don't know how fast it spins. Then you hold it by the blade.
Nice.
There it goes. It works. %50 of the time, it works every time. Spinning too fast. Yeah, that's not gonna happen again, is it? Tune in this week. Still spinning too fast. Get closer. Almost. There we go. Dial it in. Not fast enough. Not
See,
hard
what I learned from anime is you're supposed to hold a stack of them in your hand and just do this.
Right. There we go. So then you can double the distance. Theoretically, it'll flip twice as much. Damn, for a bullseye now. All right, they're for sale. $45 a piece.
Comes with a free target.
Comes with a. We test every single one and dull it out for you.
For kids.
Got that distance dialed in.
There you go.